Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing fantastic today. I'm going to show you a very beautiful and friendly dog. So see. I. Dog is coming. And very interesting fact about this dog. When I am calling him I, and right time he is coming to me. That was very nice and amazing to me because this dog really was very beautiful and friendly to me because I like this dog and I love this dog. And see, he is very friendly and playing with me. And I want to say something about my audience. If I mistake any word in this video, so please forgive me and thanks for watching this video.